Maria's cookbook. Maria's food business was booming. Customers loved her empanadas, cookies, and sandwiches. People would often ask her for recipes. One day, Maria's mother suggested, "Why don't you create a cookbook with your favorite recipes?" Maria's eyes sparkled. "That's a great idea, Mom." Maria started writing down her recipes and gathering photos of her dishes. She asked her friends and family to help with testing and editing. After months of hard work, Maria's cookbook was ready. She titled it Maria's Delights, Favorite Recipes from My Kitchen. The cookbook included Maria's secret empanadas recipe, chocolate chip cookies with a twist, Grandma's famous sandwiches, village-style chicken soup. Maria's self-published her cookbook and sold it at her market stall. Customers loved it. Soon, local bookstores and online retailers asked to carry Maria's cookbook. Maria became a published author at just 15 years old. Maria's cookbook success. 1,000 copies sold in the first month, featured in local food magazines, invited to cooking shows and events, inspired other young entrepreneurs. Maria's cookbook brought her even more success and recognition. She proud that with hard work and passion, anything is possible. Lessons from the story. Share your talent with others. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Hard work leads to success.